Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about mastering the verb tenses in the English language. And here is a comprehensive guide to understanding and using verb tenses correctly in American English. So let's get started. Here's our lesson overview. What are verb tenses? Every sentence needs a verb, and every verb has a tense. Understanding tenses helps you express yourself accurately and understand others better. In this lesson, we'll explore the three main time periods: past, present, and future. You'll learn how to form each tense and when to use them in real conversations. The foundation of communication using verb tenses. Verb tenses tells us when an action happens. They are essential for clear communication in English. The three main verb tenses: past tense, present tense, future tense. These are all time periods. Actions that already happened are in the past. For example, I walked to school yesterday is an example of a past tense. She studied last night is an example of a past tense. They played soccer last week is an example of a past tense. Present tense, actions happening now or regularly. I walk to school every day. She studies English. They play soccer on Fridays. Future tense, actions that will happen later. I will walk to school tomorrow. She will study tonight. They will play soccer next week. Forming the past tense. The past tense in English describes actions that already happened. For most regular verbs, simply add ed to the base form. However, there are important rules and exceptions to remember. Regular verbs add ed. Walk, walked. Talk, talked. Play, played. Work, worked. Verbs ending in add d. Love, loved. Move, moved. Dance, danced. Arrive, arrived. Consonant plus y. Change y to ied. Study, studied. Try, tried. Carry, carried. Cry, cried. Double final consonant. Stop, stopped. Plan, planned. Shop, shopped. And drop, dropped. Let's focus on some important exceptions. Irregular past tense verbs. Many common English verbs do not follow the regular ed pattern. These regular verbs change form in unique ways. You need to memorize these because they're used frequently in everyday conversation. Go, went. I went to the store. See, saw. She saw a movie. Eat, ate. They ate pizza. Take, took. I took the bus. Have, had. We had lunch at noon. Make, made. He made breakfast. Write, wrote. She wrote a letter. Buy, bought. We bought new shoes. Here's a study tip. Create flashcards with irregular verbs and practice them daily. Focus on the most common ones first, as you will use them constantly in conversations. Present tense. Using the present tense. The present tense describes actions happening now, habitual actions, or general truths. It's one of the most versatile tenses in English and essential for daily communication. Actions happening now. I see the bird. She wants water. They need help right now. Repeated actions. I exercise every morning. He works on weekdays. We meet every Tuesday. General facts. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The sun rises in the east. Dogs bark at strangers. Now let's focus on some grammar rules. Present tense verb forms. The basic pattern. For most subjects, use the base form of the verb. However, when the subject is third person singular, he, she, it, add s or es to the verb. Understanding this rule is crucial because it's one of the most common mistakes English learners make. Examples with work. I work at a hospital. You work downtown. He, she, it works from home. We work together. They work hard. Add s for most verbs. Play, plays. Eat, eats. Read, reads. Add es after s, ch, sh, x, z. Watch, watches. Fix, fixes. Wash, washes. Consonant plus y equals ies. Study, studies. Fly, flies. Try, tries. Now let's focus on the future tense, talking about the future. The future tense expresses actions that haven't happened yet. In English, we primarily use will or going to form the future tense. Both are correct, but they have slightly different uses and meanings in conversation. Using will for predictions, promises, and spontaneous decisions. I will help you. It will rain tomorrow. She will call you later. Using going to for planned actions and intentions. I'm going to study tonight. They are going to travel next month. He is going to buy a car. Present for future. For scheduled events, the train leaves at 8 a.m. Class starts tomorrow. The store opens Monday. Now let's practice. Let's focus on some common mistakes to avoid. Even immediate learners make these errors. Recognizing and correcting them will significantly improve your English. Pay special attention to these patterns in your own speaking and writing. Forgetting S with he, she, it. She work every day is incorrect. She works every day is correct. Using ed with irregular verbs. I go to school. Instead, I went to school is the correct form. Mixing present and past. Yesterday I walked home. Instead, you will say yesterday I walked home. Wrong future form. I will go tomorrow. I will to go tomorrow. Instead, you will say I will go tomorrow. That is the correct version. Here's a practice tip. Record yourself speaking for 2 minutes about your day. Listen back and check if you used the correct verb tenses. This self correction technique is highly effective. Your path to tense mastery. Congratulations on completing this lesson. Understanding verb tenses is a fundamental skill that will transform your English communication. Remember, mastery comes with consistent practice and real world application. Spend 10 minutes each day reviewing one tense. Write 5 original sentences using that tense. And then tell a story about your day, practicing using past tense. Describe your routine using present tense and discuss your plans using future tense. Read and notice. When reading English text, circle the verbs and identify their tenses. Notice how native speakers use them naturally. Keep practicing, and soon using the correct tense will become automatic. And let's not forget step 4. Share your writing with teachers or language exchange partners. Ask them to check your verb tense usage specifically. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead. Keep on practicing. You've got this. I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.